This is what I have built using Claude Design. Let's start this video. Hi guys, my name is Ritesh and I'm a product designer. In this video, we are going to talk about Claude Code. Anthropic just launched a new tool called Design. This is a really good move for designer. Designer can upload any design system, whatever they have made in Figma, to Claude, and they can get any result just giving the prompt. So let's jump on the video and I'll show you how we can use Design and how we can upload a design system to Claude. So just open the Claude, and by the way, this is work for enterprise plan and this is not for free plans. So if you don't have a premium, so you need to buy the premium, then you can use the design feature. So let's jump on this video and just open the design here. Once you will click on the design, and this will give you the intro. So meet with the Claude Design, import your team design system. I know we can, and later we can make a prototype. This is a really good thing, and welcome to Konoplay. Also, we can talk about millions of ideas. So whatever idea we have in mind, just we can throw the Claude and they can give us the design. So basically help in the brainstorming. And also we can also talk about our best idea. So also they give us the kind of wireframe. So based on that, we can tweak and we can build anything. So also we can build any design here. So yeah, let's import the design system in the Figma. So just go on the design system and click on create, and this will ask about your company name. I'm talking about my name is Ritesh, and link code or from the computer. Basically I already download the Figma file, design system file from Figma, and here is the Figma file. So here we can upload a Figma file. Couldn't read design system file. Okay, upload a Figma file. This is a Figma file I'm trying to upload. See, but this is not uploading. Okay, let's continue generation. It will take 5 minutes. By the way, this is I have tried yesterday. There is a bug in the Claude Design. So whatever design system we have in the Figma, that is not allowing to in the Claude. So I don't know why. Maybe they will fix it, but I'm not able to upload my design system file in here. So Ritesh is a designer who build the products. So marketing website, yeah. Mobile apps, personal portfolio. Okay. Do you have existing design asset to work from? Yeah, I have Figma file. Also have screenshot, logos, and URL. And what vibe you are going for? I always go for a minimal, some kind of luxury, monochrome. Yeah, I look for monochrome. Dual tone, no, monochrome is good. Black, white, gray, that's it. Typography, I go for logo. Yeah, I'll attach it. Color type token, UI kit, I'll give it to you. Who's your audience? Audience have the PM, CEOs. Any reference brand you cite like? I would say Framer. I like it a lot. Framer webs. So this is the reference I try to give to him. So this is creating design system for me, but not able to import design system that I have created in the Figma. So this is a bug, they have to fix it out. Okay, no asset registered yet. They'll appear here. Design system is generated. Okay, it's still not generated. So also, for example, this is asking me to give the logo and Figma file, existing website URL or screenshot. So let's give so this is the website link I'm gonna give for logo. Design system file, I give the design system file. Yeah, here is my design system file. for design system. I don't have any screenshot, so okay, let's go. It's saying it will take 5 minutes. Let's see, let's wait for 5 minutes. Okay, this is saying no no Figma MCP, but I can build from the website plus reference. Let me answer snip early context and plan. Let me download the key visual aspect from the framer site and get started. Okay, but I already give the access to Claude for MCP, but I don't know why it's not connecting Figma using MCP. But in the Claude code is working, but not in the design. So 9 thing in progress. So let's see how much time it will take to build it. So okay, it's taking, I think it's taking a lot of time, so we have to wait. Okay, missing brand font. Okay, upload and try to upload the font families. So where we have, okay, this is font family, we have this static and this is the list of fonts. So let's select all and make it open, and it's uploading. Let's see what he will build for me. So looks good. So MD file is there. I think my font is also uploaded. Okay, display type, color, spacing, motion, everything is here. Okay, all the font they have given to me, semantic colors, spacing, nice. This they have followed the 4 pixel grid. 4 pixel grid is like equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 24, that way. Very basic shadow. This is really good. Motion, oh nice. Buttons, very clean button they have followed, nice. Chips, good. Seems like I gonna have really good interactive portfolio site. Okay, nice. Okay, what is this? This is really nice animation they have used. Still verifying. Nice. What do I do next? Can you give me working link that I can see outputs? Okay, here we have. Okay, this is what Claude made website for me. Okay, this is talking about Ritesh, product designer based out of India. Download resume, how it's work section, evergreen plant application, pilot design system, yeah, that I have built. Okay, this is my projects. This is talking about my total year experience, where I'm working. This is not used color icons. So they have used really dark background, like black and white colors. No color they tried to put it here. So I think I choose monochrome, that's why black, gray, white color. I want colorful images that I cannot show black and white, but pretty much things are good. So we can make some kind of tweak. So let's add colors in the images. So image not looks dull. Let's see. Oh, reload a version. Okay, nice. Not full colors. Oh, nice. This is really good. We got the colors back. Let's see how they. Oh, nice. FAQs is not working, but pretty much good. Things are good. Contact me, where people can connect me. Oh, this is my number. This is my email ID, LinkedIn ID, Behance. Oh, everything is here. Pretty much good thing. Good work. So now you can see how crazy Claude is, and this is really good for designers. Whatever designers have the ideas they want to throw and they want to test the idea, can put on the Claude and they can test their ideas. So this is a really good tool, so you can also use. If you have any question or feedback, please comment below. I will help you out. So thank you guys. Bye.